wake up! How you doing? Oh, cut off. I don't think you like that. Pick a lane, stupid. Pick a lane. Pick a lane. Pick a lane. Pick a lane. Yeah, that one. Now put your foot to the floor and accelerate. Go! 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 Freaking go! Would you please? Yes, very good. Stop. Are you going to? No! And direct to the left lane. Over the south line. No sense in doing nothing. What the hell? Oh God, camera, move it. Go. Go. Fucking go. 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 Go, motherfucker. Move it. Yeah, it just turned green half a fucking second ago. Move it. I'm going by you. That's for damn sure. Jesus. Wake up, you dumb fuck. Did you stop? Slow down, move over, you idiot. Hey! Subadoosh. Doing 70 and a 55, mind you. No piggybacking. Well, we had an incident, huh? Road's not slippery, by the way. Is that a cutoff? Hey, thanks for the yield. Just walk right on out, dude. No problem. Give me a dirty look. What are you doing? Wrong lane, shithead. It's one lane, Mr. Tough Guy Truck. And it's a stop sign, Mr. Tough Guy Truck. Yes, stop. Thank you. Stop line's back here, you nitwit. Thanks, asshole. Stop! Glad I got my horn fixed. I don't think you stopped. You definitely did not stop. Did you just get back on the road on 101? Yes, he did. Okay. What the hell was that for? The ultimate exit regret? Clean off your car, you shithead. Turn around, Bright Eyes. Violently turn right, Bright Eyes. You can try to stop. Maybe I want you to stop. Jesus Christ, slow down, lady. What the fuck? Flying the frig up there. Clean up your car! Uh-oh. Thank you. Ooga booga. Ooga flugga. Dude, you can merge, you know. You sit there all fucking day. Things got an accelerator, don't it? Stop sign of your own. Headlights. Thank you. You're welcome. Stop. Stop sign. I don't think the other guy stopped either. What are you doing? That's an illegal U-turn. Super douche. Stop, stop, stop! Tell you, turd. Are you gonna stop? Are you gonna stop? You're not gonna stop.